Hello, today I'm going to show you how to screen record the Google Chrome browser only using OBS. Let's get started. Suppose you already have a Google Chrome window open, and now you want to record that specific Chrome window in OBS Studio. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open OBS Studio. Make sure you've created a new profile and a new scene collection. Go to the Sources panel at the bottom of OBS Studio and click the plus icon. From the list, select Window Capture. You can rename it to anything you like. So guys, after clicking OK, a window selection menu will appear. If you have only one Chrome window open, it will be automatically selected. If you have multiple Chrome windows, you'll see a drop-down list. Choose the specific window you want to record. Once you've done that, click OK. You'll now see the Chrome window appear in your scene. Click and drag the edges to resize it so it fits the recording area. That's it. Your Chrome window is now successfully added to OBS Studio. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials.